So I'm going to cut a section out here for the Y and hook up the downspout. Corrugated pipe just snaps together. Pretty simple stuff. You can hear it click together. Now we'll be able to bring our downspout drain into the pipe right here. Okay, over here at the downspout, it's real important that you try to make this corrugated pipe bend and go down. So make sure that it's hook up your downspout adapter. That's your downspout adapter. And then push this pipe hard back up against the foundation. Throw some dirt on it to keep it in place. That way it looks aesthetically correct. You've got a nice straight pipe coming down from the downspout right up against the house. Okay, and there's our Y connection from the downspout into our main line going out to the street. There's the downspout drain right there. Now we're just going to backfill, cover, clean it up, and we're pretty much done. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it.